Such ideas should spark interest in you because of what AI has done and what AI will continue to do going into the future. In today's episode, I will share an uncommon idea you can use to make money. The beautiful thing about this money making idea is that it is accessible even if you don't have a lot of money to invest. I will answer all the common questions you may have so I can help you to start your journey to financial investment. So, how do you make money buying and selling virtual land? First, what is virtual land? Virtual land is land that exists in the computer world. Hold up. Before you judge this idea of how you can make money buying and selling virtual land, let me give you a list of things that we trade virtually and people are making profits. 1. Cryptocurrencies. They exist in the virtual world. 2. In-game items. Some weapons sell for more than $100,000. 3. NFTs. I'll cover that in a different episode. 4. Digital fashion and wearables. People are creating digital fashion in the virtual world. 5. Virtual art and 3D models. 6. Virtual services like hosting virtual concerts. 7. The common domain name flipping. It exists in the virtual world. So, sit tight. Let me give you a simple explanation of how you can make money buying and selling virtual land. Once you buy land, your goal is to increase its value so you can sell it at a profit. There are various ways to increase the value of your land. You can build on your land. For example, you can build shopping malls. You can build unique attractions like an art gallery, and people will pay to visit your gallery. You can also build cool spaces to relax, like a park. You can even build a game. The deal is you want as many people as possible to visit your land. That shows that there is something spectacular or unique in your land, and this will translate to increased value of your land. So be creative and just work on things that can increase the value of your land. For example, if you bought the land for $250 and later on someone wants it so badly because you've increased the value and they give you $750, you just made $500 from virtual world. So that's how you can create income just from the virtual world. And remember, these are things that you have done in the past, and now you get to enjoy passive income when the money comes in. So we'll get to passive income later on in the video. As you buy land, remember to choose a good location. Also build something fun or useful, something that will draw people in, that they want to visit your land and they can pay you. Rent it out or host events in your land, and that will increase its value. And also, maybe you may think that you need to know some coding for you to increase the value of the land. No, you don't need to know how to code. You can just use drag and drop tools. It depends on the platform you use to purchase your value asset. By now, I know you have the question just running through your mind. How much money do I need to start? How much money do I need before I can afford to buy virtual land? Good. Let me answer your question. As of 2024, you would need as little as $250 to buy land. So, as the years pass, the price changes. But now it depends on the demand and the supply. Just the way physically the prices of land is affected by the demand and the supply, also in the virtual world. So a good range can be at least $250, as I've told you, to $6,000, which is about 0.08 to 1.88 Ethereum on platforms like Sandbox or Somnium Space. You may buy a premium plot that may cost even up to $2,500. But remember, a premium plot, once developed, you can even sell it for up to $450,000. That is a big jump. It's a huge profit from your investment. That's good money. If I can get that is good money. I will do another episode to explain more on cryptocurrencies if you're not so clear on that. Yes, we are moving on so well, and I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section. So, can I buy virtual land no matter my location? I don't know where you're, somewhere in the Antarctica, somewhere in West Africa, somewhere in South Africa, wherever you are, you can buy virtual land. Anyone in the world can buy virtual land. There's no country restriction. You just need a digital wallet and cryptocurrency. So major platforms are open globally. So don't be like, my country will not be accepted. No, you are good. As long as you have a digital wallet and cryptocurrency, you can invest in virtual land. Finally, we are the sweetest point. Huh? How much money can I make? I know you're wondering how much money you'll make. Now, according to Investopedia, some people have turned hundreds into thousands, especially with good timing and smart buys. Others have made passive income by renting land, and you just enjoy income yearly. You get some income coming in over the years. So, what do you think about that? What can you do with, if you get $18,000 right now, what would you use it for today? Oh, I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait. It will take too long. It will take too long. So, let me answer the question. How long until you can make some money after investing in virtual land? So, the answer, it depends. Okay? Let me explain. I have two answers. If we target short term flips, you can make money in a few months. That is, if demand spikes. Remember, I told you to choose a premium plot, and it works the same way even with physical land, demand and supply, and the price can spike. So, if you target to do short term flips, you can make your money in a few months. Then the other option is long term. You'll have to build, you'll have to host events, you have to rent your land. So it could take years. So there's no fixed timeline of when you'll get your money. But now, if it is long term, remember you can make passive income. It's an opportunity to make passive income from your land because you'll be renting it out and making money. Over the years, every year you make money, you keep on making money. So you just keep on increasing the value of the land. If your land is more attractive, the value goes up. It means also you can rent it out for more money. So it's passive income over the years. So it is how you work on your investment so that you can enjoy good profit from it. I think Uncle Sam never sleeps. So, on to taxes. Do you pay taxes when you buy, when you own, or when you sell? According to your country rules, there's no escape. You have to act according to your rules. But I would rather make money and pay tax than be in a situation where I don't pay tax because I don't make money. It's better if I can enjoy what I have left. Or can we all move to a new place where we can stay without paying taxes? So just make sure your accounts are correct and you do your taxes good and you'll be good to go. So you bought virtual land, you worked on it to increase the value, you sold it, and now you want to get your money. So how do I withdraw my money after selling? How will you withdraw your money? One, you'll sell the land and get cryptocurrency. Then you will transfer the cryptocurrency to an exchange like Binance or Coinbase. I'm just giving examples. Then you convert the cryptocurrency to your local currency. And finally, you can withdraw it to your bank via the exchange payment system. Also, remember you need a digital wallet. A wallet is like a digital piggy bank where you store your cryptocurrency and land ownership key. I know this question will not miss. Can someone steal my land? Okay. Hmm. Get this. If you want to invest your money and earn good returns or profits, there is nothing like zero risk. There is a risk in every investment, but you do due diligence to manage risk. So, talk about risk management. So, let me answer. Yes, someone can steal your land only if they hack your wallet or get your private key. A private key is like a secret code that proves the land is yours. If someone else gets access to your private key, they can take your land. And what if you forget your password? Do not. I beg you, do not. If you lose your wallet password or private key, you lose access to your land forever. There's no password reset in crypto. So think of tattooing the password on your hands. And I don't know if you'll even trust the tattoo artists. If someone can steal your land, then there must be someone to protect my land. So who protects my land? Remember, any questions or comments in the comment section? I'm really enjoying this episode. So, who protects your land? Blockchain technology like Ethereum ensures ownership can't be changed by anyone else. Also, the platform you use enforces rules and records transactions. Okay? So they protect your land. But can your land disappear? No. Your land cannot disappear. The blockchain record keeps it safe forever. Okay? Also, remember that your land is priced in crypto, which is worth less or more depending on crypto prices and the US dollar value. If the dollar strengthens or weakens, it affects crypto too. We are at the age where you need your teens to get financial knowledge. Financial literacy is key. Someone may be wondering, can kids buy and sell virtual land? You have to note that the platforms have age rules, but mostly adults buy, sell, or rent virtual land. Not many kids own virtual land because here we are trading with real money. I've mentioned up to $450,000 exchanging hands just by buying and selling virtual land. So, just some basic rules. Huh? Remember to start small. Don't buy expensive land at first. Just study. You start small and study the system. Huh? Also, use trusted platforms when you are trading, buying and selling virtual land, and protect your wallet. Use strong passwords and save your login safely. So be smart, be patient, be careful.